In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find archived workflows in n8n. If you've ever cleaned up your workspace by archiving old automations, you know they don't disappear forever. They're simply hidden from your active list. I'll show you exactly where to look and how to reveal them so you can review or manage what you've shelved without digging around aimlessly. Start by opening your n8n instance in a browser and signing in if you're prompted. You'll land in the main dashboard or your last active area. What matters for this process is getting to the place where your workflows are listed. If your organization uses multiple spaces, make sure you're in the right environment before proceeding. Next, head to your personal area or the specific project where your workflows live. In most setups, you'll see a Projects or Workspaces section in the left sidebar. Choose your personal project or whichever project owns the workflows you're looking for. Then open the Workflows view to see the full list. This is important because archiving is project-specific. If you're in the wrong project, the archived items you want won't show up at all. If you collaborate with a team, confirm that you have at least view access to that project, since permissions can hide results just like filters do. Now, look toward the top of the Workflows list for the filter controls. You should see a small funnel-shaped filter icon next to the search bar or sorting options. Click that filter icon to open the filtering panel. In the panel, enable the option labeled Show Archived or Include Archived, depending on your n8n version. As soon as you toggle that on, the list will refresh and display workflows that have been archived. Archived items often appear slightly dimmed or carry an archived label, making them easy to distinguish from active ones. If you're searching for something specific, combine this with the search field by typing the workflow name or a keyword. The filter will respect both conditions. If nothing appears, double-check that you're in the correct project. Clear any other filters, such as tags or status, and try again. Also note that some interfaces remember your last filter settings, so if you don't see active items later, simply open the filter panel and turn off the archive toggle. That's it. Open your n8n instance. Navigate to the right project and use the filter to show archived. With these steps, you'll always know where your retired automations live and how to bring them back into view when you need them.